Welcome back. Today we are not in the garage. I need a break. So we've got the big old tracker out. My daughter's with me. We're out wheeling. So we're trying a new trail I've never tried before. So we made it to our first obstacle. It's this one right here. So we're gonna hang a camera out the window and see if this one's not too bad. See if we make it through. I have never been this trail. It's supposed to be a pretty decent trail. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, we made it through that one, no problem. So let's go see what the next one holds. All right, we made it to the next obstacle. And I started up it already. I wanted to see if I could even put a tire on it. And I'm already there, so I'm gonna set the camera up right over here and I'm gonna see if I can get up this. I didn't think I could do anything like this, but look at that thing. Just look at it. Just look at it. I'm pretty stoked. All right, not bad for 29-inch tires.
No. Dad!
See what I'm hung up on.
You ruined the tracker.
Okay, don't have a lot of ground clearance here. So what I'm happening underneath here, I'm hitting right there. So stick a couple rocks here. Try not to stack a lot of rocks. And this side, I got to go forward a little bit more. This side will start to climb. That'll give me more ground clearance in the front. So continue on.
Dad, go! Looks like you made it. Eh.
I made it!
Ah.
I'm stoked.
But he really destroyed the car.
I did not. Just a flesh wound. That was epic. I am super excited about that. I didn't think I could do that.
You made a giant scratch in the back.
I am so happy about that. I'm just kind of looking around, seeing what I did. No damage at all. Let's go to the next one. That was cool. That was really cool. No locker either. I haven't put my locker in. I haven't sitting on the shelf. I'm excited. Where do I go on this one? I'm thinking right. Yep, we're gonna go right. Okay, found the next obstacle. That one. And give you an idea. It's really high. Now, I can do it. I'm fairly confident I could make it up this one. I don't have anybody else with me. It's risky. I'm not doing it. So, if I had somebody else with me, a different person wheeling with me, another vehicle, somebody to spot me, watching stuff like that, I'd go for it. But we played it smart, and we're not going to do this one. I will say, man, that sun is in a terrible spot, but I will say it's pretty out here. It's just pretty. One of the reasons I've waited so long is because it's really dry. It's fire season, and I didn't want to take any risks of starting any wildfires or anything. So that was part of the reason I haven't gone wheeling all summer. But this is cool. Boy. Look at that. We gotta go up that.
We are not.
Look at that. Alright, here we go, first gear. See that? And then down. So I think we're gonna take this one. We're gonna go down this one, but we're gonna go down that keeps that side. It'll tilt this way just a little bit. Won't be quite as steep as coming down here. We'll go right off of there. We'll come this way and we'll go down that way. So let's get some video of this. That'll make you pucker. Made it down though. That's when you don't hit your brakes when you're coming down the bottom. You want to roll through it. So that's what we did. We will continue on the trail. Yeah, I couldn't quite, I didn't want to risk scraping up the side of my car. Again, I don't have a spotter, so that was fun. Okay, now this is cool. I'm in the middle of the desert, remember? Like, you saw where I was. Look at this. Water. Trees. It's just wild. Very variation of scenery out here is just so cool. So cool. Go through there. And just like that, we're back out in the desert. That was cool. All right, I think we're on our last obstacle of the day. I want to try this. I saw somebody post on Facebook trying to go through this. I want to see if I can make it through it. They were in a Jeep on like 37s or something. Struggled a little bit. I just want to see it. It'd be hilarious. I just want to see it. So that's what we got. I'm not sure I can make it through this, but we got pretty good here. There's a real good ledge there. I'll have to come this way to get right up through here, but I think I can come right into it, keep this one high, keep my door from hitting there, and come right through here. So let's see if we can do this. Without a locker, that's a no. I just get too twisted up. Kind of want to try this one. I think I can get out of this one. I don't really want to back out of this because it's a pretty rough ride back. I'm gonna see if I can get up through here. Set you guys up over here. That was epic. I made it up. I'm excited about that. Not gonna lie, that's a struggle. You just can't, I just can't see how bad it is on camera. I mean, for something with bigger tires, probably wouldn't be a challenge at all. I got 29-inch tires, no lockers. It's a challenge and it's really fun. So we're gonna boogie on out of here. I'll get a little bit of that fun, but thanks for watching.